Hi, in this video I want to tell you how to prepare the tomato for the winter or another time you will need it. Rub your tomato on the grater. Okay. I took 4 tomatoes for now. This is 4 tomatoes. These are 4 tomatoes. And now you can put this tomato in casserole and make it right now, or you can put it in a Tupperware, close it, put it in the fridge. It's gonna get it will froze, and use it for other times. Or you can put your tomato here. These are bags for the fridge. You can put everything in here, even liquid things. You don't use it like this. Sometimes if you don't close it very well, it will you know, be a mess in your fridge. But you can put everything you want. To show you, I will show you one minute, one moment. Sometimes we don't boil the tomato, we put it like this, but for me it's better to put it in casserole like this and boil it for 10 minutes, and then when it is cold, then put it in the bags or in the plastic Tupperware to freeze, to put it in your fridge. Now I will show you. I do this every summer from the spring until September. The open market is right outside my door, so I take a lot of kilos and do it like this. You can put out the air, you see? Close it very good, and you can put it like this, or to have more room, you can do it this. Put it here. If you will do this 2, 3, 4, you will have fresh tomato for the whole winter. I don't buy. I usually use very little pasta, tomato pasta, with this in the winter. You see, it's nothing. You can use it a lot, 10, 20. Don't put inside, no salt, nothing for this. But if you want to do it like this, it's up to you. You go around and you put it like this in the fridge. But I prefer the other one. I prefer this. I use this and I put 20 or 25, 30, it depends. Every year I buy about August. There are one specific tomato, very small. It's only for food. This is for food and salad, but that tomato is only for food, and I buy about 20 or 30 kilos. I do rub them on the grater, and then if I want, I put the sauce in here. You see, because you see this yellow, it's sheets, and I do this. I have only the water, and these pieces, I throw them out. But sometimes it's only for a few, very few um, recipes. Usually I do this. I to rub on the grater, and I put them inside these plastic bags, and everything is fine in my fridge. After. Thank you. Bye.